Being part of SEED has been truly transformative for my institution, from the opportunity for our faculty to engage in real conversation, more than just simply talking about the students, but actually engaging about who they are as individuals and how that informs their instruction. I don't really know what I expected when I went to SEED. I found so much more, and then being able to lead the SEED group, bonding with individuals that were in the same building that I never knew more than the person that I saw in the parking lot or my classroom was next to. Finding that impact to our students, where our students started to understand our faculty as a part of a larger collective, rather than simply the person that delivered information. SEED brought so many things together around identity and relationships that actually created an institution that I was proud to be a part of. So much of what I realized about what makes SEED truly what it is the work of Peggy, and really SEED would not be what it is without Peggy's work.